Okay, so there's a sandy, not really a beach, just an area of sand. So you can pretend that you're on a real beach. This is beautiful. Today is a new day, and tomorrow we're going to Niagara Falls. But today we're looking at another area. This is Jane Station in the Bloor West side. So you know there's on Bloor, there's Jane Station. And so we came out here and we're walking around, and this area has a really kind of English feel. You really feel like you could actually be in England right now. I mean, look at these houses. Some of them kind of look Austrian. Look at that. It has an Austrian kind of German feel. So this is an older area instead of the Bayview area earlier. This is an older kind of neighborhood. So that's what's reflected actually. And anyways, both areas are quite expensive. We're gonna walk towards Old Mill because I think that is a really beautiful area and another nice place to live if you want to live in Toronto but out of the city, like a bit away from the city. Really at Old Mill Station. This is the bridge. We're over a river and a park. Toronto's full of rivers and parks. We're cutting through the cemetery. I think it's a beautiful cemetery, by the way. I'm not freaked out by cemeteries like some people. Okay, so I've discovered that there's Enrico Park Lawn Cemetery. There's a beautiful angel there, or a saint or an angel. I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful. No, it's a very beautiful and huge cemetery. So we're at Harbourfront, Queen's Quay, and that's the CN Tower, the famous landmark of Toronto, and that's the Rogers Centre. And I'm used to calling it the Sky Dome, and where the Blue Jays baseball team play. And here's the harbor. This isn't like the most famous part or busy part of the harbor. This is a quieter part. There's a nice bike lane here and a lot of people cycling. It's really hot today, 34 degrees. There's an airport there. Okay, so there's a sandy, not really a beach, just an area of sand. So you can pretend that you're on a real beach, on the sea or ocean. Hot dog stand. We're going to get a drink from there. I think you can. And there we are. Nearby there's a Tim Hortons. So I'm enjoying this Reese peanut butter donut. You can't eat this kind of stuff in Italy, right? And so I asked for a glass with ice, and then so we could put the water inside there. And it's nice to drink water that way instead. So we did find a place to relax and drink something on the harbor. Look at how many condominiums and yachts there are. But anyways, in the evening, you can enjoy a lovely music concert.
It's cold that no one is inside.
Do you think the water is cold? Probably. It's Canada. Let's try.
No one is inside.
If you go... Kittens are just too cute. We are in front of Causeway by Purina. Purina? That's how you pronounce it, right? And you can go and see some kittens and get some information on animals. Basically cats and dogs though. The Kajama. I really don't know what that is. Nico's there. If you come to Harbourfront in the summer in the evenings, they have free concerts. You just have to pay for drinks if you want to drink something, but you can always come to listen to music, and they have different venues actually. The Toronto Maple Leafs and the Raptors and the Marlies and the Toronto FC is the football team play. And this is the building. Yeah. We are in the path. The path is pretty air conditioned, so we're walking around here. This is the Canada Trust building. Enrico commented on how clean and beautiful it is in Toronto. Supposed to be Canadian comfort food. Okay, Enrico got the peppered steak. And I got the Bannock burger named after the place. Look at that. Actually, it looks really good. This is City Hall, the new City Hall next to the old City Hall, which is back there. This is the new City Hall, and this is, in the winter, that's a skating rink, but in the summer, it's a fountain. We just finished eating at Bannock. I had the burger, he had the steak, and he really enjoyed his meal very much. It was like $28, but it was very good. The burger was also very good. The nasty sauce, what they call the nasty sauce, is really spicy. So it was really spicy. So for me, it's better without the nasty sauce. And the only thing that is not so good there is the ice cream, because we're used to Italian gelato and sorbetto, and yeah, so it just isn't very good compared to that. But I think if you order the s'mores, there's something like s'more, a s'more kind of dessert, and then it's really good. That one's the best one probably that they had, which is basically like a brownie with like a marshmallowy topping. They have a lot of things going on in the summer in and around Toronto. As always, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. See you next time.